Charles Trippy. I'll go outside and show you the snow in a second, guys. Oh, and you open it? Oh, this is old, actually. I haven't seen it in a while. Yeah. Look, I got it set up right here today. I recorded for rap. Check it out. What's up, everyone? So I'm outside now. Put this on my hand just in case I fall. It's white everywhere. It's a wonderful new Christmas. You know it's not Christmas anymore. It's like hard snow. Golly. Frozen snow. It's so complicated. I'm turning this off. Okay, hey guys, I made it onto the snow. Watch this. It's ice. It's like walking on top of a frozen pond. But it's not frozen. I mean, it's not a pond. Yeah, that's it. Kind of forgot where I was going. Oh, it's gonna get deep right here. Woo! Look at this part. It's like water. That's one reason why we're not going to be able to go to school is because of how ice is made. Or like snow, it's like ice instead of snow. Walking in my car. Stepdad's from that. Look at my car. Look at all the snow. Did you hear that? Watch this. Golly! This is crazy.